Hello guys, welcome to Piping, Welding and DT channel. So we have a three triangle here and this is called SOHCAHTOA. This is So, this is Ka, and this is Toa. So what is this SOHCAHTOA? So this is means sine, opposite, hypotenuse. This is, and then this is Ka. We have cosine, adjacent, hypotenuse. And this is TOA. This is tangent, opposite, adjacent. So now, where is the adjacent, opposite, and hypotenuse for this triangle? Okay. For this number 1, this is so. For this so, we have A, B, C. Okay. And the CHS, Ka, A, B, C, TOA, A, B, C. So the adjacent, the opposite, and the hypotenuse here is we have this A is our opposite. Okay, and this is adjacent, and this C is hypotenuse. So this video we will find it the length of sides, which is the given is one side, and we have a given of degrees. Okay, so from this so sine, opposite, hypotenuse. Okay, we have a given from this opposite is 10. Okay, and we have a given degree of, let's say this is 60 degrees, and we will compute this letter C. Okay, to find that, we have a formula for that. A divided sine 60 degrees equals C, hypotenuse. Okay, now we will compute this one. So 10 divided to sine 60 degrees equals. So the answer of this hypotenuse is 11.54. Okay, 11.54. So this is a simple and very easy how to compute this. So the important is you know the formula. Okay, now if this is if this A is our question now, and we have a given from this, uh, let's say it's 11.54. Okay, so for the formula for that is C multiply it sine 60 degrees equals A. Okay, so this is a very simple way, and from this Ka, cosine, adjacent, and hypotenuse, the formula for that is C multiply to cosine equals B. Okay, and B divided to cosine degree equals C. Okay, that is the formula. And from this TOA tangent, B multiply to tangent degree equals A, and A, multiply it to tangent degree equals B. Okay. So just take note that this formula, okay? From our SOHCAHTOA. So this is the way and this is the procedure. A divided to sine degree equals C. C multiplied it to sine degree equals A. From the SO and from the Ka is C multiplied cosine equals B. B divided to cosine degree equals C. And from the TOA, B multiplied tangent equals A and A multiply it to tangent equals B. Okay. So I hope you have learned about this SOHCAHTOA and a triangle, how to find the length of side with the given of the degree and the one side of the length. So thank you very much guys, and I hope you understand my video, and have a nice day. Bye bye. See you in my next video.